Google Classroom is really easy to use. So you'll find your child's class and it'll appear like a tile like this. They might only have one tile. You click the class name and then all the classwork is either posted on this wall and the same work is posted in classwork too, and then you just work through it, and what you have is a task here, and you might have some resources that support that task, and then you hand in your work, which I'll show you on another video. But at this classwork here, there's the task title, and then there are these slides that support it to give the children some leading through the task. There's some helpful vocabulary, the level of challenge is there too, and then the resources are there also to complete the task. So everything is in Google Classroom, which is really easy to use.